Okay, so we got this packet of electrolytes. It has 10 raspberry lemonade, 10 blueberry pomegranate, and 10 lemon lime splash. And you just add them into your little bottle of water. And there's like, 10 of each of them. I haven't tried any of them yet. But this is from Kepi. And what I'm going to do here is I have my domed water bottle here that this lid just screws on, but I like it because I can just unscrew it. I can pour in what I want. I can put the lid back on. I can shake it all up. So we're going to try this one here. Which one did I pick? Blueberry pomegranate. And these are actually, they say they're keto friendly because they're monk fruit and stevia sweetened. And it has a little notch right there at the top that I can tear off. Perhaps. Okay, so I paused it so I could rip that off of there, but there's the blueberry pomegranate in the little envelope there. And we're going to put the domed lid on. We're going to shake it all up. We're going to give it a try. And we're in the Southwest for the summer. We're going to be spending a lot of time here for this summer, and it's going to be hot, 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 hot. So having a nice pile of electrolytes is going to be really handy here, and it looks like good flavors too. So we're going to give this a go here. I'm going to shake it up, and I would really like to try the raspberry lemonade too, because that's going to be I think that's going to be a good flavor too. Lemon lime will be good too, but I think raspberry lemonade sounds intriguing these days, so that we could show them to you. And right now we're doing the blueberry pomegranate. You can see it's kind of a pinkish color there. And see if I can get this off with one hand. Oh, I need two hands. Okay, so again I had to pause it, and we're going to give it a little taste here. Yeah, that's good. It's got a little bit of a salty, I guess, kind of a flavor to it. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be a little bit sweeter. I would like it a little tiny bit sweeter, but I could add some monk fruit or stevia to it if I wanted to, but I don't really need to today because I'm just going to drink it. So actually, yeah, that's pretty good. I could see definitely keeping those, keep a pouch with you in your tool bag or the car or your purse or diaper bag or backpack or wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Keep a couple packets with you so that you can rehydrate when it's hot, 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 hot out.